Lake Pagoria. A salt lake so toxic, it can burn human skin. But for a thick-skinned flamingo, it's paradise. Bursting with her favorite food, a protein-rich algae called spirulina. To win the dating game, she's got to double her weight. Through her sieve-like beak, she slurps up 80 gallons of algal soup every day. It's a superfood that not only plumps her up, over 3 weeks, it also turns her pale plumage a dazzling pink. Her transformation is complete.